It's raining. I can't go outside. Oh, I know. Raindrop patterns. It's so cute. And soft, fluffy clouds for the ends. Oh, I wonder what she's gonna color. That looks like my window rainbow. We're matching. Cutouts? Wow! I can't wait to see what she's gonna make. Maybe she's drawing them so that I can color them in. They're not for me to color. So what is she making? It looks so pretty with all the rainbow colors. Air dry clay? Is she gonna put it in the shapes? Oh, she's putting them on the cutouts instead. This is so interesting. Wow, a matching game. Let me see. Here. No, that rainbow is too big. Got it. Last one. Ta-da! I did it. My turn. But now what? Oh, yes! Raindrops keep pouring. It's so squishy and soft. In you go. This feels so good mixing everything together. Here goes! Come back this way! Yay, one drop in place! This is so much fun! Look what I made all by myself! Oh, the lights are flickering from the storm, but Sister has an idea! Is this another game? Can I shine it? Wow, so cool! Rainbow shadows. And a cotton candy cloud, too. Look. A smiley sunshine cloud. I wish every day was a rainy day. They're so much fun.